Hi, I am Marloes Peters, and as part of our project for the Royal Society of Chemistry, I'm going to talk to you about the wonderful world of microorganisms. There are different types of microorganisms. So viruses are one of them, which you obviously hear a lot about nowadays, but also fungi. And fungi you often eat, which you might not be so aware of. So think of, for instance, yeasts that are used in pizzas or for making bread, or even corn is made out of fungi. But what I'm going to talk about today, and I'll try and do that in just 1 minute, is why we can't live without bacteria. So I brought some of my furry friends along, and in our body, these bacteria actually outnumber our cells by a factor of 10. So they're used to produce a lot of important delicious flavors. Think of chocolate, think of cheese. Without bacteria, they wouldn't taste near as good. So what do bacteria do in our body? Well, most of them are located within our gut. And what they do there is that they help to break down important food sources and make nutrients available to us. Think of it, you've got bacteria in your mouth where they can break down the things that stick between your teeth, and they are further broken down into your gut. This little one here represents E. coli, of which you've got millions in our gut. So each of us has a very unique fingerprint of bacteria in our gut. By having them there, it actually means that they can neutralize toxins, but they can also prevent the bad bacteria from taking over. And if you want to know more about antimicrobial resistance, what it actually means, and particularly what this bacteria is here, then I recommend that you have a look at the other video where we go into more detail in our research on using polymers to combat antimicrobial resistance.